Hello, good evening, everyone. Myself, Zaffar Mirza. I'm the founder and the faculty for the Access Group of Services. Happy to announce Fin Chartered Academy is one of the associate partner who are the approved CMA course provider, a silver partner. And today's session, I'm taking to guide the students who want to understand exactly what is the CMA course. And the professionals who want to unlock global career opportunities in the field of finance and the management. Let's start. So let me introduce our co-founders and the faculties. So myself, Zaffar Mirza, I'm the director and the faculty. Having a 25 plus years of experience in accounting, auditing, taxation, and successfully having a track record of completing 500 plus students for the professional courses like Indian Chartered Accountancy, UAE Taxation, Diploma in Direct Tax and Indirect Taxes in UAE, as well as the Federal Tax Authorities approved PRBs in the UAE market. So we have Mr. Brain, is the co-founder and the faculty. He is coming with 20 plus years of experience in the finance, the investments. And he is having a very successful academic record, in handling the educational institutions. And third one, we have Mr. Shaz Faruqi, is a co-founder, again, dynamic, energetic, one of the good faculty in our organization, hardworking, always thinking towards the students' success, always closely working as a leader for the students and having a successful track record of achieving the All India rank for the ACCA and the CMA courses, CMA courses. So let's begin about the course structure. So what we are trying to learn and understand during this session, exactly, we will understand what exactly is CMA USA course. And we will understand why to choose CMA course compared to other courses, other professional courses, why to choose a CMA course. And eligibility and examination structure. And eligibility and the examination structure. And we will understand how to do the registration for CMA course and what will be the estimated cost for completion of the course. And we'll understand what is the examination windows, how many attempts are there in a year, as well as we'll understand what is the examination pattern and what is the passing criteria. And then after, once you pass, we'll try to understand what type of career opportunities are available and how much from your existing payroll to how much hike you will get after completion of a CMA course. And we will understand why Axis Group and Fin Chartered Academy will be the right place for the CMA course compared to the other institutions. And here we are showing some of the success stories as a testimonial of our previous students as well. So let us understand what exactly is a CMA course. So CMA course stands for Certified Management Accountant, which is approved, it is a professional certification which is offered by IMA institutes. IMA institute, that is Institute of Management Accountants. Okay, we can say this is a globally recognized course. And especially the CMA is focusing on which areas? Like mostly, unlikely the regular accounting certifications are focusing on auditing and the taxation, where CMA is focusing. Here the CMA is mostly focusing on the strategic financial management and business decision making, which is very, very important. Planning, analysis, and the control, where the management word includes planning, analyzing, and the control. And CMA course will help you. CMA certification will help you to become a leader for the organizations. And it is designed for the finance professionals. This course is designed for the finance professionals who want to upgrade their skills in advanced roles, like who want to become a CFO. This course is very, very mandatory. And the financial analysts and the finance managers and controllers. I can see many. I have 2 decades of experience in accounting and auditing, where I met hundreds of accountants at a different stages of their careers. But the designation is the same. The designation is the same because not lack of efforts. The real reason is lack of upgrading their skills. From this century, means this last couple of few years back, the UAE, especially the accounting professionals, is changing the environment very quickly. So my sincere advice to all the accountants, the professionals who are working, to have one skill, a certified skill, which will help you to grow in the financial profession. So take one start step to boost your career by selecting a CMA course. So why to choose CMA? Why not to go for other courses? So the good and great advantage is this course is accepted in 150 plus countries. And this course is having a high earning potential in the market that will This designation will help you to increase 40 to 50% of your earnings compared to the existing. And this course will help you for your career growth. And this course will prepare you for a leadership role in finance. And this course will help you to enhance your skills. This course will help you to focus on management accounting and decision making and the strategic planning rather than just bookkeeping and accounting. When compared to CMA and CPA, both the professional courses and high demanded courses in the market. Here specifically, if I am focusing on the CMA, is focusing on the management accounting and the strategy, where CPA is fully focusing on auditing, taxation, and the compliances. And career path, you can become a CFO and the finance manager or a strategic role in one organization once you get the qualifications of CMA. Where if you completed a CPA, you will be an auditor and a tax consultant, means you can start your own practice. And CMA is a globally recognized. This degree is valid in 150 plus countries, as we discussed. But CPA mostly focused only in US market. Means you can do the practice of taxation and you will be an auditor in US only. So this is the biggest coverage, market coverage compared to CPA and the CMA. So let's check what is the eligibility, means who can join the course. So eligibility is any bachelor degree can join the course. And they must have a 2 years of experience in the accounting or in the financial management firms. Example, if you are working as an accountant from last 2 years, this is the time to join SBM. Even if you are a student, if you don't have any practical experience, this is called as an apprenticeship or articles in compared to other courses. This is mandatory. So the students who are pursuing the course, after completion of the course, also they can complete this 2 years of professional practice. This is mandatory. Means this course is facilitating for both the sectors, the professionals who is already working and they have the graduation degree. So they can save 2 years because they are already completed 2 years of working. They can directly appear exam and complete the course and they can start. They can upgrade themselves. But the students who are pursuing the graduation, okay, the eligibility in the final year, you can register and you can complete the course. Once you complete the course, you can complete 2 years of articles as well. And the examination structure compared to other courses like ACCA, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, and the CPA, the CMA is having only 2 parts, 2 papers. 2 papers. That's why this is very easy for the practically who is working, professionally working people, because they are having the office, they are having a proper office. Okay, they cannot complete the many subjects compared to the budget as well as the time. So this is only 2 parts, part 1 and part A. Part 2, they can complete the course. And here, the part 1 is about the financial planning. Second one about the strategic financial management. So first one is focusing on the planning, performance, and analysis. Second subject is focusing on the management. Management means again planning, organizing, and controlling strategically. strategies. That's why these courses will help you to upgrade your skills. This subject, especially this part 1 and part 2, if you have a thorough knowledge, hands-on experience of these two practical courses, that will help you to grow your skills, and that will help you to become a leader. Here, each part is 4 hours examination. And the good thing is it's having a multiple choice 50%. And once you completed the multiple choice, it will take you to the essay questions. And the great advantage of CMA is there is no negative marking. So now next step is the registration procedure, and with the estimated cost breakdown. This is also very, very important because the working people has to manage their finance by salaries. So here, the step number 1, first thing is you need to become a member in IMA. Okay, for the professionals who are working, the fees is 295 USD per year. And this for the students, 49 USD per year. And IMA membership is mandatory to enter into a CMA program. First, you need to become it. Then you need to register for the CMA entrance fees for the professional 300 USD and for the students 225 USD. This is only one time. And this fees is applicable for 3 years. That means you need to complete the course within the 3 years. Next is CMA examination fees. One is the entrance fees, and second one is the examination fees under this course. For the professionals, $545 per part. One part. We have 2 parts. And for the students, it's showing $407 per part. So approximately it's coming for the both the parts, 1090 for the professionals and $814 for the students. And I want to bring to you some of the important points related to the finance matter. So these fees which we are discussing is valid. It's a new fees which are valid into 2026. And IMA membership must be active, means you must renew every year. And CMA entrance fees is applicable for the 3 years. And for the examination paper, until you pass, you need to pay. And CMA USA examination dates and the windows will compare to other courses. It's conducting the exams 3 times in a year. There's a window January to February and May to June and September to October. So within 3 years, 3 times you can write the exams. And the course duration, mostly for completion the training, the part 1 will take 3 to 4 months study and 3 to 4 months study. Approximately this course you can complete within 6 to 12 months. This is the shortest period for the professional courses. You can complete it as early as possible. If you have the capacity to complete both, you can complete both here in the 6 months of time. Next is CMA USA exam pattern. Passing criteria is, so here we have the examination. We have 2 papers. The part 1, the topics are 6 topics are there. So I try to, as per our previous experience, by understanding and studying the previous examination papers, the weightage on the topics are given. Mostly the cost and management is the 4%, internal control system is the 5%, and technology is 6%. So all the chapters are very, very important. All the chapters are very, very important as per the weightage, and this is 100 SAQ, MCQs plus 2 essay questions, and duration of the exam is for 4 hours. And the part 2 also same, we have the 6 topics, and the weightage is comparatively same. And 100 MCQs plus 2 essays and 4 hours examination paper. And the window will be there January, February, May to June, and September to October. This essay MCQs contributes 50% of total score, and essay contributes 50% of the essays are graded. And you must score 50%, more than 50% in MCQs. And next one is the career opportunities and the pay scales after CMA course. Key career roles are: you can become a management accountant, you can become a financial analyst, and you can become a cost accountant or budget analyst, or you can become a corporate finance planner, and you can become an internal control specialist, and the finance managers or corporate finance cost corporate controllers. And you can become a CFO. You can apply for the CFO positions. And globally, the salaries are covering an entry level per annum 50,000 USD if you are comparing to AED 100,000, and middle level 150,000 per year, and in AED, and senior or leadership level 200,000 per year. It's a high paying, okay, designations in the market if you complete the CMA course. So that will helping you to get more 20-25% more than the non-certified peer persons from the globally. Next thing is why learn from the Axis Group and the Finance Fin Chartered. Why to learn? So here in our institutions, we have 20+ years of experienced faculty, no junior or something faculties. We are all having a 20+ years of experience teaching faculty, and specifically I'm here in the UAE from last 15 years into the same industry in the auditing and taxation, the practical industry, as well as in teaching. And we have the other Mr. Brain is always here in the UAE, so we can understand and the market, and we will focus based upon the UAE market. Like many people are working, so we are providing a weekdays classes and weekend classes, and we understand the working people never get the time to practice. Here we are providing an LMS system as well, and here practical case studies. We are into the market, we can explain and we can give you a hands-on experience on the real-time case studies. And here we are helping for the dedicated placement support also we are providing in the market, and we have the classroom plus live practical approach. You can come to face-to-face class or you can go for an online class, both the ways. And here specifically compared to any other institutes, here we are giving a free orientation and for the basic foundation. For example, many accountants are working in the organization from last 10 years. They completed their graduation 5 years back, 10 years back. So they forgot the basic and they are very far from the educational side. So now here we are giving them a 1-month orientation classes, the basic accounting and the costing records, okay, which will help to kickstart a CMA courses. Okay, so we are giving this is a beautiful and great benefit, and many students are adopting this orientation classes, okay, which will helping the students to kickstart the direct CMA classes after the orientation. And here we are providing one more, as we understand the market situations and we know the financial burden on every staff and the students. That's why here we are providing a feature called repeat the classes free until you pass. So that means once you join our course, there is a relationship will begins. So we are taking the full responsibility for your examinations to be passed. And there's no any additional charges will come. Okay, only examination fees you need to pay. From the academic tuition side, there's no charges until you pass. And here examination questions solving day to day. We'll practice. Once you complete the chapter, we'll practice the practical examination questions on this. Next thing is here experience the classroom before you commit. And LMS system, learning management system, you can practice online before approaching to the exam. And here we have the testimonial of our student records. And here we have the All India rank. Okay, top 10 in the global ACCA exam. And here we are working dedicatedly and we are focusing to get a good rank in CMA from the Middle East market as well. And thank you very much for understanding. For further any assistance is required, any career guidance is required, we are happy to help all the students. And giving one more time, if you want to meet me personally, face to face, we are available all time to the students. And we wish all the best for your dream big, work hard, stay blessed, and never give up. Your future is bright. Thank you.